Hello again and welcome to my channel. I just colored this really pretty picture from the Romantic Country Coloring Book, and I have it available. This is a color by numbers kit that I make. You guys know, if you follow me, I make color by numbers kits, and this is using Prismacolor pencils, okay? And let's see, so all of the colors, well, what I did was, this is how it looks here. This is the original or whatever, and then what I got here, these are the color combos. You will get the color key here. Okay, you're going to get the color key, and the color key here is what's going to tell you exactly what color combinations to use, and then I put them here. Okay, so in other words, if this one says put combo 1 here, then you would put the 1, and combo 4, etc., etc. Okay, so you know that's how that works. So here's the color key, and here's the original. All right, and I will be doing probably a tutorial on maybe how to do the bricks, because those are, it's a kind of a, here, if I get a little closer, maybe you can see, I don't know if you can see the detail or not in it, but there's a lot of detail in doing these rocks, the little rocks, and I know sometimes people are interested in how to get the to make them look kind of messy, so I'm going to show you how to do that probably. So hopefully, depending on how I feel. So, I mean, I've been sick really lately, so, but anyways, but coloring makes me feel better, so. Alright, well, thank you very much for following me. Please like and, don't forget to like and subscribe, because I know a lot of you guys watch, but you forget to like it. If you guys like my videos, please like them, because it really helps me on YouTube to, get my rankings up. So please hit the like button, okay? Thank you very much for following me and for all your thoughts and prayers and all your kind wishes in the emails. Thanks a lot. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Ciao.